Whether I have a box of Parle-G, packs inside the box, or even individual pieces inside the packs, now I can manage everything in one place with different rates for each level. And that too, only with OS Books. First, go to the purchase window. To do this, click on the plus icon next to purchase under the inventory section. Now, create the company and click on submit. Then, add the invoice number and date, press enter, and proceed to create the product. In the product section, enter something like Parle-G and press enter a couple of times to submit the product. Now, click on the settings icon at the top. Turn on show unit and sale price setting, then click save. In this table, you can see I'm setting different purchase and sale rates for box, pack, and piece. Now let's see how to manage this live in OS Books. As soon as you turn on the setting, a new option called quantity unit will appear. By default, it's set to PCs. But since we are working in the order of Box Pack PCs, we first need to create the pack unit. In the quantity field, type pack and press enter. A pop-up will appear where you'll need to define how many pieces are in one pack. For example, here we're entering 10 pieces. Enter 10 in the quantity field, select PCs as the unit, and then click save. Now, in the same way, type box in the quantity field and press enter. In the pop-up, define how many packs are in one box. For example, if there are 10 packs in a box, enter 10 in the quantity field. Select packs as the unit and click save. Now, as soon as you enter the purchase rate for one box, OS Books automatically calculates the rates for all three units, box, pack, and piece. Right after entering the rate, a pop-up will appear where you can easily set the sale price for each unit. For example, I set the sale price as 50 rupees for a pack, 500 rupees for a box, and 5 rupees for a piece. Then, as soon as I confirm and press enter, these rates get saved and the product is added to the item list. And finally, just press the save button and your bill will be saved. Now go to the dashboard and click on more info under the stock section. There, you will see the full details of Parle-G, how many boxes, packs, and pieces are available. Now, let's say you sell some of these items. After that, you'll be able to see the updated stock quantity in real time. Now, go to the inventory section and click on the plus under sale. Then, add the customer. And by pressing enter, select Parle-G in the product section. As I'm currently selling based on pieces, the rate for the box is showing because the box is selected. As soon as I select PCs, the rate for pieces will be shown instead. These are the rates we set during the purchase process in the sale pop-up, or if you prefer, you can enter them manually as well. Then, by pressing enter, add the item and click on save. Now, enter the paid amount, select cash as the payment mode. And as soon as you click on save, your bill will be ready, which you can view immediately. Go to the stock section and check the product. OS Books will show you the exact remaining stock. For example, if 5 pieces were sold, it will show 9 packs and 5 pieces remaining. The stock has been correctly auto-updated. Now, let's make another sale. And this time we sell 1 pack. To do this, press the Ctrl+S shortcut on your keyboard to directly go to the sale window. Here, select the customer, then choose the item you want to sell and enter 1 in the quantity field. Select pack as the unit, press enter, and add the item to the bill. Then, click on save, select the paid amount and payment source, and click save again. Now, if you go back to check the stock details, you will see that the quantity shows the remaining 8 packs and 5 pieces of the box. As you can see, with the help of OS Books, you can make your accounting absolutely accurate and easy. So, don't wait. Contact us today and try OS Books. Thank you.